Welcome back to my channel. Today we will discuss what is boiler according to the IBR, and we will also discuss the various application of boiler. Let us start. What is boiler? A boiler is a closed pressure vessel in which the heat is produced by the combustion of fuel and is transferred to water for its conversion into steam at the desired temperature and pressure. So it must be in closed condition. Okay, it is a pressure vessel, and the function of the boiler is to generate the steam from the water. Okay, boiler is a one type of heat engine. So heat engine is a device in which the chemical energy of fuel, it will be converted into heat energy, and then after this heat energy is utilized to produce the steam from water, and this steam is rotate the turbine and produce the electricity. Then how is a pressure cooker different from a boiler? So we know that the function of the pressure cooker is to produce the steam, and this steam is utilized for cooking purpose. It is not utilized for electricity generation. While in case of a boiler, the steam is utilized in process industry, in some of the chemical plants, as well as it is utilized to produce the electricity. So according to the IBR means Indian Boiler Regulation. According to the IBR, the definition of the boiler is: a boiler is a closed pressure vessel with capacity exceeding 22.75 liters used for generating steam under pressure. It includes all mountings fitted to such a vessel which remains wholly or partially under pressure when steam is shut off. So according to the IBR, the definition of the boiler is: it is a closed vessel, and its capacity exceeding 22.75 liters for generating the steam, and there are various types of mountings are attached. Okay, mountings means necessary part in the boiler. Okay, without this part we cannot operate the boiler as per the standard, like as pressure gauge, water level indicator, various types of safety valve. These all are the mountings. Okay, without this part we cannot operate the boiler. Okay, so these types of parts are not attached with the pressure cooker. Okay, there is no any water level indicator in pressure cooker. We are only using safety valve. Okay, so according to the IBR, the pressure cooker is not a boiler, because the application of the steam which is produced in the pressure cooker, it is utilized for boiling purpose or cooking purpose. So this steam is not utilized to produce the electricity. So according to the IBR, the pressure cooker is not a boiler. Now we will discuss various applications of the boiler. We know that boiler is produce the steam from the water by the combustion of coal or other fuels. Okay, so whatever the heat will be released, it is utilized to produce the steam from the water, and this steam is utilized to rotate the turbine blades, and these turbines are connected with the generator. So one of the application of the boiler is to produce the electricity. It is also used in captive power plant. Captive power plant means those power plant are produce electricity for own use. It is called captive power station. The other application of the boiler is in textile industry. Okay, in textile industry, steam is used for fiber production, weaving, drying, printing, heating the equipment, and maintaining the temperature of the system. Okay, so this is the other application of the boiler in textile industry. Next application of the boiler is in sugar industries. Okay, in sugar industries, steam boiler is necessary equipment in sugar industry. The sugar cane should be steamed with a sugar industry boiler in the process. Steam must be required in the process, so it is the necessary equipment in sugar industry. The other application of the boiler in heating of the buildings as well as in house. So the steam can be used for heating residential and industrial buildings in cold weather, and for producing hot water for hot water supply. Okay, so this is the one of the application of the boiler in domestic use. The other application of the boiler in dairy industries. In dairy industry, industrial boiler are mostly used in dairy industry for milk pasteurization and power generation. Okay, so there are two application of the boiler in dairy industry. The one application is to produce the electricity to run the different accessories, and the other application is steam is used in process like as in pasteurization. Same as there are various application of the boiler like as in chemical industries, it is used in processes, oil heating. Okay, it is also used in pharmaceutical companies, it is also used in bakeries to produce the electricity, as well as in some of the process in captive power station. Okay, we have already discussed in first slide. Captive power station means those power plants are produce the electricity for own use. Okay, like as cement plants, soda ash plant. In cement plant, a huge amount of power is required to run the 100 HP or 200 HP motor, and there are various electric motors are there. Okay, in packaging department, in coal and ash handling system. Okay, so captive power station means those power plant are produce the electricity for own use. So they are not purchasing the electricity from the government, they produce their own electricity. It is called captive power station. We have already discussed one of the application of the captive power plant in cement factories. It is also used in steam jet refrigeration system to produce the cooling effect. So these are the various applications of the boiler. I hope this content it will be helpful to you. Thank you friends for watching this video.